Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of send files to GV. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about send files to GV. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.